Wait and see.
Game artists still burning hours tweaking prompts for AI-generated assets? In 2026, diffusion models can output 4K PBR-ready game assets from raw text, no iteration required. But Midjourney V6 and Stable Diffusion XL handle this differently. Let's cut through the vendor hype. Midjourney's strength is parameter stability, offset by zero control over asset topology. Stable Diffusion XL lets you script material shaders directly in the prompt, critical for PBR compliance. The real war is in API latency. Real-time asset previews require under 500 ms response times, which is why Unity just integrated SDXL's diffusion architecture into their asset pipeline. Workflow tip: use Midjourney for concept art. SDXL for final assets saves your QA team a heart attack. Full pipeline benchmarks and prompt templates in the description. Now go break your rig.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Wait and See, your signal through the noise of AI.